How to use the object selection tool in Affinity by Canva. First, ensure that you are in pixel persona or pixel mode. Then, locate object selection tool in Tools panel. If tool is missing, you can add it manually. Click the three dots at the bottom of the Tools panel to open Customize tool. Type selection into search bar. Drag and drop the tool onto your toolbar. To use Object Selection tool, click Object Selection tools to activate it. Then, click on the specific object in the image that you want to select. Please wait a moment. Once the selection is active, you can immediately apply a layer mask to remove the background or perform other edits.